Hi guys, I'm Sasha. Thanks for joining me. Today we're doing just a very simple, fun little Christmassy craft. So you can see in the instructions that I'll put up with photos how I made these envelopes. I did it for the size of just regular printer paper so that if you wanted to print the instructions and the ingredients right on the envelope, you could do that. So it works really well with kind of a thick scrapbooking paper. It also works with wrapping paper, but you got to be careful with the really, really thin stuff because the dried oranges can poke through there. So just watch out for the really thin paper, but it looks pretty cute and smells really good. Or you could put them in little bags like this. Really easy to do with the kids or the grandkids. These also make really cute like teacher gifts, or if you have to give gifts at church for Sunday school teachers, things like that. This is great, so stick around and I'll show you how simple it is. Well, I hope you guys try this out and see that it's lots of fun and it's a cute little gift. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.